Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to make this video today. So today I'm gonna talk about how to create a Facebook page. Now most of you use Facebook to chat friends, to post their memes and all of that, but you don't have any idea that you can actually make money with this Facebook. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money with Facebook. I mean how to create a Facebook page, because you can only make money with Facebook if you have a Facebook page. So stay tuned, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time, please do want to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notification bell for you to get notified whenever we post new videos. So let's get into the video. So guys, actually creating a Facebook page is very easy. So first thing you're gonna do here is you're gonna locate your Facebook icon. Okay, so here it is. You're gonna click on your Facebook, open your Facebook. So now when you get to your home page, the next thing you're gonna do is to click on these three dots over here. Click on these three dots. When you click on it, you will see where the road page is. You just click on these pages. So if you click on it, you'll see different things here. You see create, discover, invites, liked pages. So this one is what we're going to be making use of. We're going to use this create page. So you click on create. Now Facebook is gonna ask you to name your page. So what's the name of your page? Perhaps I want to create a page for a restaurant. Okay, I can use, perhaps let me say Peter Restaurant. And then when I type the name, I click on next. Then you'll be asked to select the category that best describes your page. So now, since it's a restaurant, and I'm gonna search for restaurant. Okay, I'll select restaurant. You can select up to three categories here. So let's see, I'm gonna select food delivery service, and then perhaps business supply service. Okay, so when you're done selecting the category, you're gonna click on create. So when you click on create, you're gonna wait, it's loading. Sorry guys, I'm having some network issues. Okay, so it's up here. Now you're gonna see finish setting up your page, success, you've created Peter Restaurant. Now add more details to help people connect with you. So here you're gonna put your contacts. That's if you have a website, you're gonna put a website here. Then if you have a physical location where people can come to get their food or anything that relates to your business, you can add the address here. Then you add the zip code here. So for this video, I'm not adding any of that. So but when you're after adding them, you just click on next. So here is gonna bring you to this page where you can put your profile picture and your cover photo. So I'm gonna click on this. Okay, it's having a little bit issue, so no problem, you can still click on next and later you can change it. So I'll click on next. Then it will ask you this: stay informed about your page, turn on these features to help make the most of Peter Restaurant. You can change them anytime in settings. So I'm gonna leave this on, or you can switch it off, but I would advise you to leave it on. So you click on done. So when you click on done, basically your page have been created. Now here you can decide to connect your phone number, your WhatsApp contact. You can decide to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page, but I'm not doing that right now, so I'm gonna skip this. And then you would see important steps. I would advise you to follow all these steps, so I'll click on next. Say add images about your restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. Let me skip this. Then say invite your friends. You can click on invite friends. Then when you click, you can select the friends you want to invite. So after selecting them, you can just simply click send invites, and it will automatically send invites to your friends. Then you go over to the next step and see suggested groups. So you see all these are suggested groups. You can join any of them. Okay, so I'm not joining any of them now. So you go over to the next step, connect your WhatsApp. So that's if you want to connect your WhatsApp, you can connect your WhatsApp through this process. So I'm going to go over to the next one. Then here is very important. They say you can you would have to create a post so visitors can learn more about your page. So all you have to do is to click on create post. Then you can just select a photo or whatsoever, and then put a write-up here. So that's it. When you do that, you just click on post and it will post. So I'm not posting now, so I'll discard. Then you go over to the next one. You see set up automated messaging. All these steps are very important for your for your page, so that it can be discovered by people. So that's it for creating a page. You can come here and edit your cover photo. You can add a photo. You see, you can also add a profile picture here. So you have all you need, and these are all your tools up here. You can post a Facebook reel. You can promote your page, that you can run adverts with Facebook. You can run paid adverts for you to get more followers and engagements. You can just click on promote your page, and you just pay Facebook for them to run ads for you. So you select your budget and you click on promote page, and it will definitely run ads for you. But for you to run these ads, you would have to select images and make an ad that will be attractive for people to get to know about your restaurant. So this now I have a Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page. So that's it, and you have your overview here. You can monitor your Facebook insights, you can run ads, you have notifications, you have resources and tools and more. So you can change this button to any of these here: book now, shop on websites, view gift card, call now, contact us, or you can select send message and click on create. So anyone you want to do, you can do that. So if you want to use your phone, fine. If you also want to use a laptop, that would be better. So that's it on how to create a Facebook page. So guys, please do well to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and like this video and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified each time we post a new video. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.